If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the platform, on this channel I share with you opportunities where you can apply and work remotely. We are officially on our way to our first 100 subscribers, so please do take a moment and subscribe to the channel. Well, without much waste of your time, let's jump onto today's company. So the company that we are looking at today is called the Lifetime Value Company. So we are just going to read through about their about section and just have a clear, or rather a brief understanding of what this company is all about. So obviously, if you want to know more about what the company entails, you can go through and read also more information on other tabs. So as you can see, they've written that the Lifetime Value Company is a tech company with a culture of innovation and passion for data. So since 2007, we've built a portfolio of brands focused on unlocking long-term value for consumers and business via web-based and application products. So this is sort of like a software company. So the next thing that we want to do is obviously we want to come here on careers, and then once you've clicked on careers, as you can see, they have written join our global remote workforce. So as you can see from the map, they've got employees from all over. As you can see, North America, you've got Africa, particularly South Africa, and then you've got your Asia, and then you've got your Australias as well. So what you want to do next is you want to scroll downwards to locate what opportunities are currently open, or opportunities that they are looking to fill. So as you can see on customer support, they've got a training specialist. So as an example, we're just gonna use that for this example. So the next thing that you want to do is you click on apply now, and then this will populate. So what you want to do is you read through what the job is all about, and then what you will get to do. So these are the things that you'll be doing on the job, and then this is what you must bring to the table. So you must have, so you should have at least 2 years experience working in the technical in the training specialty position, right? Training specialist position, and then you can read through all the other information that they require, and then the rewards. Go through all these rewards and see what exactly you get out of this. And then if you are satisfied with this, and then the next thing that you want to do is obviously you want to submit your resume. So to do that, you simply click on there, and then it will take you to the next page. So here you've got, for you to apply, you can fill in your details, your first name, your surname, your email address, your phone number, and then your address. Then you write in your cover letter, and then if you've got a LinkedIn profile, you insert that link to that profile here, and then your desired salary, you write what you are looking to earn. And then once you have done that, you come and check here, and then you submit your application. Well guys, we've come to the end of this one. Let me know what you think. Are you going to be applying for this particular role? And also in the comment section below, type in which country you are watching from, so that I can also try and focus on remote job opportunities that specifically speak to your country. All right, so guys, just before I let you go, this other day I created another video showcasing also other remote jobs that you can consider. So I will leave the link to that video in the description box below. Otherwise, the video itself, it will populate just now. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.